Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and I want to talk to you about how to come up with binge worthy blog content that increases conversions. So one of the biggest questions I get is, how do you come up with blog content and how do you actually do it consistently? Which is such a good question. When I was first getting started with my blog, I was like, what should I write about? I don't have anything special to say. What do I do? So I've been there, and I want to break down just a few different ways that you can come up with some really good content for your blog that's going to add massive value to your audience. So first thing you need to do is ask your audience. I'm a firm believer that with everything in your business, you actually need to talk to your people, and you need to do it often. So market research is critical for creating awesome blog content and monetizing your blog and creating courses that sell. I have an entire blog post on how to do market research. So just Google Rachel Ngom market research and you'll find it. But some questions that you can ask your audience are, what are your current goals? Why is this important to you? What's holding you back from achieving them? What are you struggling with right now? What topics would you like to see me cover? What do you think you need to learn to move forward? What would you love to learn when it comes to whatever your topic is? So when I was first getting started in this business, I got on the phone with my ideal clients and I asked them how I could help them, where they felt stuck, what their goals were. Now I tend to do more Facebook polls and ask in my emails, my Instagram stories. And as soon as I get their feedback, I copy and paste their response and I put it into a Trello board. If you don't use Trello, Trello, it'll change your life. You're welcome. This way, whenever I'm feeling stuck for blog content, I just open up my Trello board and voila, I've got tons of questions that I can ask my audience. I've got 4 more tips for you about creating killer blog content. So go to rachelandgom.com/blog content. I'll see you later.